Hey guys, it's me again. Back with another video. Since I haven't made a video in a week or two, figured I'd come back. Sorry, my posting schedule isn't, all that good. There's just not a lot of whole things to video now that I've videoed a lot of things. Next thing to video on my list is a Christmas setup, which I'm actually going to do in this video. So we're here looking at my 2011 3-ton Goodman gas furnace. And you guessed it, we're going to do a startup and shutdown of it. Sorry I didn't get the first time it started up and shut down. But nothing has changed here, except that it's gotten a lot more crowded. So, yeah. Goodman. Here's the data. 3-ton from 2011. So, we're going to start this up today. Wow, well, that was weird. We're going to start this up today. Had a Australian accent right there for a minute. Here's the ducts. I don't think I've ever shown this. No, it's ripped out of there. It doesn't look too good. But here's the ducting. Let your plenum right here. And then this just goes into here and then branches off around the rest of the house. Okay, so he's not here. I have not been in this room in a while. This is actually my mom and brother's room, but yeah, I have not been in here in a while. Here's that vent. That's what that big duct leads to. And then vents to all around the house. Jeez, it's messy in here. Yeah, like I said, I have not been in this room in a while. At least in a couple months. There's those window fans. And then we have these ducts that branch off here. This goes to my mom's roommate's room. And that one branches off to my room. Oh, and that's the dryer duct. Got another notification. That happens all the time when I'm making a video at home. I get a notification. There's the return. This is an old filter. That is set for dry right now. I'm probably gonna put that back on auto. It's a Honeywell electric air cleaner. So that turns on whenever the air handler turns on, or whenever the furnace turns on. So that just goes, as you can see, curves up there, because that's where the thermostat is. And then messy bathroom. Well, they got a new light. Like I said, I haven't been in the basement in a couple months. That's a new light. There used to be an old tube fluorescent light. Lots has changed in here. I'm debating on whether I'm gonna put a ceiling fan in here. But when I do, I'll definitely make a video on it. And if I do, it's probably just gonna be for shits and giggles, but so I'll go upstairs now. Ceiling fan. Here's the other vent. Figured I'd give you guys an update on the vents in the house. Oh, we changed this around yesterday. So we have couch and that here, where the dining area used to be. So I'm gonna put a ceiling fan up in here when I get around to it. Probably on Friday. I'll try and get around to putting a ceiling fan in this area. Migrating to over there, and Christmas tree. There's that other vent. You can't see it. Oof. Oh, that remote goes to my Lasco pedestal fan, which is now downstairs. There's a Christmas tree. So, yeah. And there's the other vent over there. There's the return air. vent. There's no filter in here, so that's why there's a an electric air filter. Yes, it's 66 degrees in here. It stays very cold in this house. And this, I think, it controls the air filter. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this controls the air filter. Because it's still wired up. Used to have a knob. This is really old. That's it off for the video. My Venstar thermostat. Here's the vent in the bathroom. Really long vent for some reason. I'm not gonna go in my mom's roommate's room because no. Oh, and I just got done with this a few minutes ago. Christmas lights all around my room, and it really looks well with my view fan. There's my Honeywell Turbo Force from 2002. This chest is blocking my vent because I don't really like it when the heat comes on and it starts heating up my room really hot. Because the air handler, the furnace is oversized for the house, and so it makes my room extremely hot whenever the heat comes on. And so I have this little heater that whenever it gets too cold in here, I use it. And right now I'm wearing a hoodie, so it's making me kind of warm. That's one of my Halloween skulls. I don't know where my little ghost lights went for Halloween. Not much has changed in the house at all. Well, a couple things have. Oh, here's my Christmas lights on my bike. I haven't taken this out in a while. There's all the settings. Ouch. This bit me. Oh well. Without further ado, I'll go back downstairs. I haven't done a video of the Goodman in a while. Outside. So I'll set the phone down right here, and I'll go ahead and start it up. And you should see the little fire starter in there glow, and the inducer come on. There it goes. That's that working. Yeah, air cleaner. It's zapping things. But there you go. Starting up. That doesn't sound too promising. But as you can tell, that old ass thing still works. But yep, there's the startup. That is very hot. There used to be a sticker on this thing, but there it is. This is the sticker that used to be on the tube right here. Yeah, it actually was sticking, but I was playing with it one day and it just fell off. There's one over there. Same with that dryer tube. There's one over there, but it's about ready to fall off. A bunch of shit back here. But my mom's room is kind of a hoard. I did not say whore. I said hoard. There's the startup. I don't hear that thing popping anymore, so I think it's good. I wish we had a heat pump, or else I'd be filming it outside right now. I'm gonna turn this right back off because we don't need it on. Really nice and warm. Owie. That one's working, you can hear it. You can obviously tell that one's working because the leaves are moving. I'm gonna go to it. And the bathroom one we have mostly closed. We did have mostly closed. Because this thing blows like crazy usually, and it heats up this bathroom a lot. Okay. Alright, well, here you guys go. It's colder in this room. Just how I like it, so I'm gonna go turn off the heater. Now that you guys have seen the startup, I'm gonna go downstairs. I guess I spoke too soon. That thing is still popping. Alright, so I'm gonna sit you guys down here. And then when the air handler turns back off, we'll go back down. Alright, here you guys go. I'm sure you guys heard the popping of the air thing as it was shutting off. And it sounds like the neighbors just shut off as well, because there you guys go. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I was sitting right here, and I heard the popping from in here. And thank you guys for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe.